Good morning, Dr. Maya. My name is Lizing and my batch number is 20323. The device I want to introduce today is Nokia 3310. First of all, as we know that the communication system exists to convey a message. A mobile phone is an example of mobile communication, which is a wireless communication. It is an electric device used for mobile telecommunication over a cellular network or specialized base station known as a cell site. Also, it offers full duplex communication and transfer the link when the user moves from one cell to another. In the other words, when we use one frequency for talking, a second separate frequency is used for listening, so that both the people on the call can talk at once. As the phone user moves from one cell area to another, the system automatically commands the mobile phone and cell sites with a stronger signal to switch on to a new frequency in order to keep the link. The Nokia 3310 is a GSM which announced on 1st September 2000. Now, the phone is 22 years old. The GSM, which known as the Global System for Mobile Communication, is a standard developed by a European Telecommunication Standard Institute to describe the protocol for second-generation digital cellular network used by mobile devices such as mobile phone and tablet. So now, what is the difference between 1G until 5G? Simply, the G stands for generation. Please have a look on this table. 1G refers to the first generation of wireless telephone technology. We can see that the 1G device only offers voice call only, and its max speed of 1G is 2.4 kilobit per second. The main difference between 1G and 2G is that the radio signal used by 1G network are analog, while 2G network are digital. 2G device provide SMS, MMS, which is known as the multimedia message, internal roaming, conference call, and long-distance call. The maximum speed of 2G offers 64 kilobit per second, and it is based on GSM. Well, 3G offers high-speed data range about 144 kilobit per second to 2 megabit per second. 3G offers voice call, text message, and data service. Furthermore, 4G technology used in many more applications like sharing of digital photos, movies, high-quality voice and video calls, and so on. 4G supports speed up to 100 megabit per second, and it is based on LTE technology. And lastly, 5G promises significantly faster data rate, high connection density, much lower latency, and energy saving among other improvements. The speed of 5G is more than 1 gigabit per second. The predecessor to the Nokia 3310, it featured usable SMS messaging and was the first affordable mobile phone to come to market with a fully internal antenna. Nokia 3310 wasn't the lightest phone around, but became well known for feeling distinctly solid. The top edge of the phone packed a wide power button, while the menu navigation is done through the up and down, the arrow key, and the menu selection is chosen with a blue menu button. The C buttons act as the back, undo, or delete key. The dual-band 900 or 1800 MHz support means it will work on any European network. This phone has a great battery life, which is only be a 900 mAh battery, and the battery is removable. We can take out the battery by opening the back plate of the battery, and the battery can be taking it out from the back. Nowadays, the battery of new generation mobile phone is built inside the phone, and the one advantage that non-removable battery phones have a tighter design because a removable battery phone need to have a back plate. It can compromise the overall design of the phone. The non-removable phones have a battery tucked away in the electronic, and this allows the manufacturers to create the phone out of a high quality materials and produce a luxury feeling phone. It also means that non-removable battery phones are slimmer. As we mentioned as before, this device is 2G technology, so it didn't support the wireless local area network, Bluetooth, GPS, and radio. The mobile phone is primarily designed for voice communication. In addition to the standard voice function, the new generation mobile phones support many additional services and accessories, such as SMS for texting messaging, email, packet switching for access to the internet, gaming, Bluetooth, camera with video recorder, and MMS for sending and receiving the photo and video, MP3, radio, and GPS. With the advent of the new technologies, the mobile phone use is expected to increase in future. There have been the addition of several new applications and features which make it an irreplaceable aspect of our life. The undeniable fact of matter is the smartphone increased the productivity of an average person.